Good day, listeners. Product review number 9. Hopefully by now we got up to this point and you found out a little more about me, and I hopefully know a little bit of you guys more. So let's enjoy today's product review, shall we? Today we're doing Poptarts. Now you would think, Eric, don't you like blueberry Poptarts? No. I like blue stuff, but not that. Today's we're doing frosted cookies and cream. Sounds tasty, doesn't it? I like the ice cream. I really like cookies and cream ice cream. But these, let's see, first of all they come in this pouch. It has their logo on it, it's all shiny and stuff. And they're easy to open, which is an important thing in my book. No childproof steel here. And what do they look like? This is what they look like. They're black, and they got black sprinkles on a white frosting on the top, and on the bottom they're kind of just a flat, boring, like breading thing. Now normally you would put these through a toaster, or you can put them through the microwave, but I like to eat mine just the way they are, and that's good enough for me. So let's see how this one tastes. I really like this. I am enjoying this. You guys probably don't want to see what it looks like inside my mouth. It is disgusting. Oh, but wait, I should show you guys the inside. That is what the inside looks like. That's the cream filling. And I really like things that are cream filled. Drink of water. This is a Dollar General cup, but in no way does this advocate me or you giving them their business. I have to take a non-side on it because I have a relative who is employed there. So yeah. Well, that is it for this product review, and I will now sit back and enjoy the rest of my Pop-Tarts. Take care, listeners and watchers, and have a good day.